You know, when I was young, I told my father when I will grow up, I will have a profession where I can just sit the whole day and look through the window, and this is what I can do now. And both of my grandfathers, they were mountain guides, so they had a hard time to get up to the tops. I can do it within a few minutes, so I really enjoy my job.
The helicopter involves a lot of flight data, how much fuel they consume, where landing times, starting times, and so forth. And that data needs to go to statistics, and that's where the data transfer comes into play. So as soon as the helicopter lands on the bases, they transfer the data over the network to the statistics applications. If you look at Aerohive, you get a complete edge network involving switches, involving access points that you manage quite easily from a remote location. We have an operations crew that does the full monitoring of the solution, so we get to know as soon as a component has any problems, because you see how fast those operations with the Zermatt go and how fast the helicopter needs to start when a rescue operation needs to take place. There's quite a critical scenario in place that we need to support. So we see an error within seconds or minutes after it actually happens, and can take action to resolve the issue. Aerohive has a specific function that we needed for data compliance. Aerohive runs its management software called Hive Manager in the cloud, or on-premise with the customer, or in a private cloud solution. And we needed the management solution to be in Switzerland for data compliance reasons, and that's why Aerohive was one of the front runners that we evaluated and finally chose to.